Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn letter B. Yes, B. B says B, B, B. The mommy bird and baby bird. B, B, ball. B, B, ball. B, B, balloon. B, B, balloon. B, B, butterfly. B, B, butterfly. B, B, banana. B, B, banana. Let's learn to write letter B. But before this, we need to learn which things begin with the sound B. B, B, mango? No. So we will not color it. B, B, banana. Banana begins with B. Yes, B, banana. B, B, butterfly. Butterfly begins with B sound. B, B, arrow. Yes? No, you are right. We are not going to color it. B, cherry. No, no, no. B, bat. B, bat. Yes, yes, yes. Now check. B, ball. Yes. B, car. Car? No. Next, what to do? We have to find all the letter B, mommy and baby. I can do it. I can circle it. Yes. Baby bear. Baby bear. Mommy bear. Mommy bear. Find and circle. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, the last one. Yes. Let's learn to write baby B. Make a straight line. Put the pencil in the middle and make a circle at the right side. See again. Draw a straight line. Put the pencil in the middle of the line and make a circle. Good. Then what next? Learn to write mommy and baby bear in lines. Okay? And the next exercise is to write the beginning sound of all these things, all these objects. Okay? B, ball, B, bag, B, butterfly and B, balloon. See you soon. Till the next video. Allah Hafiz. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.